Freaky Factor! Number 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make something and give Jenna it so she can eat it. I want to know, but our camera ran out of memory, so she had to redo it, and she already put the stuff inside of it, so you're going to have to deal with that. Oh, yeah. That did not make sense. Where's my pencil?
Show them how you put in it.
I'm gonna.
Hurry up!
I can't put my fork. You know where I put my fork?
No,
Oh, it's in the pickle. Sorry, okay. Now she knows there's pickles in it.
Oh, you put pickles in it!
Hey, you're not gonna like the other thing. I'm gonna have to put down the camera. Huh? It's not, but okay. So got this.
Hey, is it ready yet?
No. And then that. Haha. She's gonna like it. Hopefully not. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah, okay, close your eyes.
Okay, and sit down and sit there. Then put the camera on the other side so you get the right reaction. And then just have it arranged.
Wait, do you want a bowl?
Yes.
Okay. Hold the camera and you can open your eyes. Ooh, I'm scared. Very scared. What? Okay, let me see the camera. Okay, so.
Oh.
You're not allowed to look. She's not supposed to look. Do it. Eat it.
Oh my god.
No thanks. Here, I'll get you a tissue.
That smells gross.
Eat it. You like pickles?
Yeah, they're not peanut butter.
You don't like peanut butter?
No.
Do it. You barely took a bite. Okay, that was Freaky Factor. Number one.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Make a face. Make a face.